have a 5-string banjo to show you today. This is my short scale banjo, so that's an 11-inch rim with a 20-inch scale neck. And this is for our old friend Marianne. And I built her a larger banjo several years ago, but this one I think is just going to suit her body and her arms a little bit better. So the main wood in this is cherry. Some really great multicolor kind of curly pieces in this instrument. And the secondary wood is Texas Ebony. I believe this is the second to last instrument I'm going to have out with my Texas Ebony stash as it runs out. And she went for like the kind of Santo inspired Hawaiian shaped headstock, which looks pretty cool. And she went for a little custom inlay here, which I think looks great. It's got a goatskin head and a little brass armrest here. And I had one more of these hawktail tail pieces, which I know she'll love. And yeah, she went for the non-steel strings on this one. Yeah, cherry is it's just great right now for me. It's plenty loud. It's got a little growl on the low strings. It's sweet. It's a little lighter weight than maple. It's nice. So this is number 904 for Marianne. Ready to go. Cheers.